What are you thinking?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The detail, the density of it, it's just, I'm still in shock. I didn't think it was going to look this good. I knew it was going to look good, but I didn't think it would be to this level. It's just incredible. Like, I'm still in awe. I'm flabbergasted. It really is. And for what I want, it's perfect. You know, it fits, it frames my face the way I want. And so I'm more than pleased.
Let's zip in on this. Incredible first session results. Slightly turn your heads. Yeah. You see how I kind of brought it in here. This here has to be taken down, obviously more. But for first session, the results there are just insane. Let's try to zoom this in here. And same thing, feathered nice and easily in here. He's you know, age appropriately. He's 50, so he doesn't want it to be. As you can see here, I slowly turn it. That looks like real hair, and he had nothing up there, my friends. Nothing.
That's right.
And the whole thing is done. He's a Norwood 7. Somebody's happy.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
All right, my friend.